this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Somebody I Used to Know by Gotye. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Gotye, Just Somebody I Used to Know, a really catchy tune, hypnotic tune that was a massive hit worldwide back in the day. This one is only got two different parts to it, and I'm going to go through both of them. But the thing of it is, you got to get that. So it's just D minor to C, D minor to C. That's the intro in the first verse. And by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please hit me up, subscribe, leave me a comment or whatever you got, and I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so back to the song. D minor and C is the intro. So just, I'm doing a finger style. You can also do it with a pick. But it's very super tight. So that's the first part where it just goes through verse, 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 verse. Goes for a while, then it goes, then it finally goes to the chorus. D minor, C, B flat, C, and it does that forever. It goes. So what you can do is, if you want to substitute, you can go either here. Sorry, but you got to borrow this one. You just kind of do. There's no way around it. It's a B flat to C. And if you want to go up higher and you get a slightly different voicing, go to this D minor. To a C, bar C, and a bar B flat. And that sounds like this. Here's a lower one. Slightly different. Just somebody that I used to know. Got some little melodies that go over it. So that's an example of a song that really doesn't do a lot of changes, but yet it was a massive hit because it's so catchy. So the right hand kind of gets the feel of the song, and that's pretty much it. If you want to listen to it and kind of get into that hypnotic groove, just play it over and over and over, and it's a good exercise actually in keeping the thumb. And I think he recorded that one in his garage in Australia somewhere. Guy just sat down, recorded the thing, put a little drum machine to it. Next thing you know, old Jed's a millionaire. So, fun little song. I hope you enjoyed that. Somebody I Used to Know by Gotye, featuring Kimbra. That's the female vocal on that one. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.